Hi there, I'm Edison, Chief Executive Mascot at Light Efficient Design. I'm here to announce the latest in money-saving technology from our Remfoss brand. It's the, drumroll please, Troffer Transformer, a first-to-market innovation that you can use as both a new fixture and a door-style retrofit kit. Yep, it works both ways. What makes the Remfoss Troffer Transformer the best option on the market? It's only one piece, and it's an absolute breeze to install. When used as a new fixture, installing the Troffer Transformer is as simple as dropping it into the grid. Retrofitting an old fixture is a snap too. The knife edge on the Troffer Transformer slides right in between the T-bar grid and the existing fixture. Yep, the old fixture stays in the ceiling, which means a cleaner, faster install. Patented design and installation technology keeps the Troffer Transformer firmly in place while creating a seamless, no air gap look. I've checked out the competition, and wow, all those extra pieces look like a confusing mess. While the other guys are still unboxing and checking for parts, you'll be saving time and money. I better give them a hand. Not only is the Troffer Transformer a breeze to install, it's packed with useful features too, including flex color, flex watt, and flex control. Each unit easily switches between 3 color temperatures and 4 wattages to make everyone in the room happy. And they can support basic sensors to advanced controls. All these flex options mean that you can streamline your inventory. Now that's what I call flexing. Of course, we offer all the common size options you need, and you can choose from both flat panel or volumetric styles, all backed by a 10-year warranty. Visit us at led-llc.com/videos to check out our full installation video and see just how easy it is. See you again soon!